Hey, Nick Barra here. Professor Harris will have the lectures for the branding AI class, the ones on branding, on the Humanitarians YouTube channel. I may do some additional stuff on this channel, technical things using agentic AI, building scripts, statistics, math related to branding. But I felt it was important to talk about this side example. So that's Venezuelan opposition leader Maria Corina Machado, who just won the Nobel Prize. She just destroyed her personal brand in one photo. I see her widely mocked now. I see AI generated videos of ICE agents coming in to take her away immediately after she gives Trump the prize. Trump then flipping off the American people like he often does after that. That little bag that you're seeing there, she left the White House with a swag bag of Trump garbage, a MAGA hat, and millions of people who now despise her. Here's a person, it's a really sad story. She spent her life fighting for freedom. In one photo, she destroyed her reputation. It'll be a long one time to repair the damage and the damage to her cause. So this is more just a cautionary tale. You know, if you associate with certain people like a Iranian mullah, the Ayatollah, Kim Jong-il, etc., there are certain lines you don't cross. She crossed it, and it badly hurt her personal brand. So it's a very sad tale, but this is more just, be careful about stuff like this. She probably thought it was a good idea and, destroyed her reputation. This is a Nobel Prize winner. Destroyed her reputation in one photo. Okay, so that's it. Take care. I'll put up some more videos related to more tech stuff, branding and AI here.